Sub-assembly, disassembly, cylinder head. Place the cylinder head on a soft surface and remove the spark plug. Remove the insulator band. Remove the carburetor insulator. Now, using a valve spring compressor tool, slowly compress the valve springs as shown. To prevent loss of tension, do not compress the valve spring more than necessary. Remove the two valve cotters using a magnetic tip screwdriver. Now remove the valve spring compressor tool. Remove the valve spring retainer, valve spring, and valve. Now remove the stem seal and then remove the valve spring seat. Follow the same procedure to remove the other valve assembly.